Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP files using app called RAR on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our RAR or ZIP file, and mine is located in DCIM camera and there's a picture .rar. So now to unpack it, we'll need to press on it, and in this case we'll need to enter the password because the archive is protected by a password. So for me it's 123, and press OK when you entered your password. Now to unpack the files, you need to select the files that you want to unpack and press on this arrow pointing up right here. Now click the browse to select the destination folder for the files to be put, and for me I'm gonna go for movies and press OK. Now you can change to ask before overwrite without prom, or skip existing files. You can also enable to keep the broken files, or do not extract paths. You can also disable display extracted files. Now I'm not gonna change any of that because there's no need, and just press OK when you've selected everything. Now if we go to our movies folder, the 3 pictures should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.